Namaste friends, hello Dosto, welcome to Mudita Naari's colorful channel. Before we begin with our topic of today, I would like to wish a very happy Makar Sankranti and Pongal to all those who are celebrating these beautiful festivals today. My today's video is different than my normal videos. It still involves the craft, however the area is changed. This time it's cooking. Yes, rightly guessed. I'm going to share a process of making a dish. And this dish is called Doodhi Channa nu Shaak or Lauki or Channe ki subzi. So without any further delay, let's start. I've taken 1.5 Doodhi here. Doodhi's English name is bottle gourd. Then I'm going to take Channa dal. Channa dal is called split chickpeas in English. I'm going to take 2 fistful of Channa dal. Then I have taken roughly 1 cup of water. It shows that the water is slightly over 1 cup, but that's okay. And I'm going to soak my chana dal in that water for at least 2 hours. Then I've peeled the skin of doodhi and cutting it into big pieces, not small pieces, otherwise it becomes mushy. And then I'm going to add these chopped pieces in the bowl full of water to prevent them from turning black. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil in this pressure cooker. So after oil, first thing that I'm going to use is this mustard seed, a teaspoonful of mustard seed. Then it starts splattering with the noise. It makes a noise like this, as you can hear in the background. It means the mustard seed is trying to tell us, I'm ready, move on. So I moved on and added 3 curry leaves and gave a slight stir. Next I added 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, gave a gentle stir, and then I added 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric and again a gentle stir, like a gentle dance of spices. Next I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ginger chili paste, and the minute I add this paste, all the spices starts complaining. Listen to them. So to calm them down, I start stirring using the spoon. After that, I've added the chana dal that we soaked earlier and then gave it a proper stir with the spoon. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of dhania jeera powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala and salt according to taste. And then I'm going to start adding doodhi here, give it a proper stir, and then I'm adding all the water that I soaked chana dal in. And then because I like gravy, I'm going to add half a glass more. This is how it looks after adding the water. I've put the lid of pressure cooker and it's ready to cook. And the 3 rings are up now and my pressure cooker is telling me that it's ready. But I have to wait for the rings to go down before I open the lid. So now I'm going to check if my shaak is ready or not. And for that I do a pinch test. So what I do basically is wash my hand and take some chana dal on the spoon and pinch it to see. It should be soft. Same with doodhi, should be soft. So it's in this case it's not ready, so I'm going to recook it. On the second round, I think my shaak is ready, and this time I don't have to pinch also. You can see from the chana dal, you can see those cracks, which means it's ready. So this shaak is now ready. Lastly, I've added some coriander leaves. And as you can see the consistency of gravy, this is sort of gravy. This is sort of consistency I like. So I've taken this out in a small bowl, ready to be consumed. It can be consumed with roti, chapati, rotli, or with rice. And before I go on with my usual messages, there is just one more thing, and that is limited to just this video, and that is blooper section. And cut it into small pieces, not too small because doodhi will otherwise gadi jai. And cut it into big pieces, not small, because it becomes mushy. Chop it into big pieces, otherwise doodhi becomes quite mushy. So that's it, my friend. This is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again, take care. Bye. Avjo. Bye.